Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lexus RX versus LX. We'll explore their key differences in size, luxury, and intended use to help you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle. The RX is a popular choice for urban driving and families, while the LX appeals to those needing serious capability and a commanding presence. Let's dive into what sets these two premium vehicles apart. When it comes to performance, the RX and LX offer distinct experiences. The RX, often equipped with a V6 or efficient hybrid system, delivers a smooth and quiet ride, perfect for daily commutes and long highway journeys. It prioritizes comfort and fuel efficiency. In contrast, the LX, with its robust V8 engine, provides immense power and a higher towing capacity, making it ideal for heavy loads and challenging terrains. Its body-on-frame construction ensures durability. Inside, both Lexus SUVs offer luxurious environments, but with different focuses. The RX presents a contemporary and driver-centric cabin, featuring intuitive technology and comfortable seating for up to 5 or 7 passengers. It's designed for everyday practicality with a touch of elegance. The LX, however, elevates luxury with more expansive space, often seating 8, and an even higher grade of materials, including fine leather and wood trim. It feels like a private jet on wheels, offering unparalleled comfort and prestige. Deciding between the RX and LX often comes down to your priorities and budget. The RX offers a compelling package of luxury, efficiency, and reliability at a more accessible price point, making it a fantastic choice for many families and individuals. The LX, while a significant investment, delivers unmatched off-road prowess, a truly opulent interior, and a commanding presence that justifies its higher cost for those who need its capabilities. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Ultimately, both are exceptional Lexus vehicles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.